Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Moonpay account. So when you first of all try to create your account here on Moonpay, you will be shown three different options of doing so. First, you are going to create your account with the help of your email address or with the help of your Gmail account or with the help of your Apple ID. So when you choose any of those options, you will get a verification link on your email address. So you can tap on that verification link and you can verify your Moonpay account. So once you do this, you can just simply get access to your Moonpay dashboard, which is going to look something like this. Over here, in order to buy and sell, you don't need to separately verify your identity over here. You can just simply click on the option of buy. You can then select the cryptocurrency which you want to buy. You are going to see various cryptocurrencies over here. So you can select any of the assets. After that, enter the amount in the USD that you want to basically spend in order to purchase the crypto. After that, selecting your favorable payment method, you need to conclude your payment, and this way you will get your money or your crypto in your Moonpay account. So all in all, in order to verify your Moonpay account, you only need to verify your email address and there is no identity verification that you need to verify. You can straight away start using it and you can start purchasing the cryptocurrencies inside it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.